Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import Word documents into Goodnotes in 2026. Do you need to annotate your Word documents? You can import it into Goodnotes and edit it easily. So let's see exactly how to do that by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Google Notes application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store here and you're gonna search for it in the search bar. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure you install it. You can also download the Word application just like this. Search for Word and download the Microsoft Word the edit document so you can edit your documents on your device. Now once you download those two applications, make sure you export and download your Word file into your device. Once you download your Word file into your device, you're gonna click on Goodnotes, you're gonna launch the Goodnotes application, and you're gonna, from the home screen, you're gonna tap on New. From the New button, you're gonna make sure to scroll all the way down until you see the import option. You're gonna click on it just like this. And then you're gonna search for your Word document like this. I'm gonna choose documents. You're gonna search for Word documents until you find this here. As you can see, there are lots of PDFs. We can source this by type, so we can find the documents. As you can see, these are Word documents. We're gonna open it. As you can see here, it's not a supported document, so you might have to modify the Word document into a PDF so you can modify it here. Now once you import the PDF file after converting your Word file, you're gonna start annotating or highlighting your content. And that's it. Importing Word documents makes reviewing and editing easy, so use it for work smarter with your files. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.